in the mountain.
Oh my gosh, there's no power. Everything's flying.
Tomas is not even nervous.
And I remember that I'm gonna put it on Facebook.
I go, Tomas isn't even nervous on my face like this.
Everyone's gonna laugh when they see it. Dude, that guy was soaked.
That guy is just staying over
Oh,
It's probably his free
man.
shower for today. Cause we don't open that shower place over here where we go to work. Alright, I'm almost in the freeway.
E no lights, babe. So be
No
careful. Look at, be careful.
Yes.
Why is everyone driving with their emergency brakes on?
B, look at the electricity in the floor.
Wait,
Right there.
oh,
That's why.
that way?
Everyone driving with their emergency lights on. People in Seattle will be like, what the heck are you guys doing?
Everybody's parked.
That fast, that's it.